Hey, what is going on, guys? Kenny here, and we're gonna have a tutorial on the plugin called WarpSigns today. Now I know this plugin is a little bit outdated, but it definitely still works with the latest Craft Bukkit version, and a lot of people appear to be using it according to MC Stats. So I'm making a tutorial on. First off, we're gonna go ahead and download it and add it into our server plugins direct. So once we've done that, as you can see, I have added it here. And these are the other plugins we've worked on creating besides Essentials. I will go ahead and set up our server. Now I will note, you do need to have some sort of plugin that uses the /warp command. It will also need to have the ability to set a warp, but mainly it needs the /warp command. So let's go ahead and join our localhost server in game. All right, there we go. So now, in order to create a warp, I'm just using Essentials, so I'll just go ahead and create a warp right up on the top of this hill, and I'll call this warp King. Now you notice I am using Essentials for the warps. I'm not using the WarpSigns plugin. I'm just setting a warp as usual with Essentials. Now I'll go down here, I'll grab my sign, and I'll place my sign right about here. And how you do this is you type in warp with a bracket, opening closing brackets, hit enter, and now the name of the warp, which was King, and just like that, it is created, and it tells you now that is the warp sign part. Now you gotta go ahead and right click the sign, and it teleports you right up here. Quite simple. There is one other functionality to this plugin, and that is giving someone permission for this. So if we go ahead and make the warp sign again, if we go to the fourth line, just enter in that, and basically what that means is they need to have the permission WarpSigns.use. and then whatever the warp name is. They need to have that permission in order to use this sign. Or they could have the WarpSigns.use. So I'll go ahead and do that, and that sign is created. Other than that, this plugin is very simple. I will have all the links in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More to come soon. See you guys later.